Hey guys, I got a screw on my tire, so I'm going to show you how to patch this using a plug. So if your tire pressure is low, as you can see there's a screw there, you have to pump some air, so just pump it. You can buy this tire repair kit anywhere from the home hardware store, example Canadian Tire or Home Depot, anywhere. So this is to push the plug in. So you have one of these here, and this one is to clean it. So before I take the screw out, I'm going to set this up. Push this in here. Right here. Okay, so have this set up like that, all the way to the middle. Okay, so let's try to take the screw off. So I got a screwdriver. It looks like a nice screw on it. Just unscrew it. Wow, that's really a big screw. So use this tool to clean it up. Make sure you go in one direction. It's okay to have some air come out. That's normal. Don't panic. Just keep rotating in one direction to clean that area. Okay, so I'm going to take it out. You want to get this in almost like 2/3, so it goes in. Just pull it rapidly. You can take the box cutter and cut the excess pieces. It's all done. I just want to check it, see if there's any bubble come. There's no bubbles. That means it's fixed it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.